Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we are going to solve this problem here before us. Please, if you are new here, kindly do subscribe, like and share the video. So let's get started. We have root 3 in parentheses x minus root 3 is equal to x plus root 3. So we have to find the value of x here. Therefore, the first step here is to distribute this root 3 to this parenthesis. That is root 3 times this and root 3 times this, which is root 3 x minus root 3 squared, which is equal to x plus root 3. Root 3x minus this squared get cancelled with this square root. We have 3 here, which is equal to x plus root 3, which implies that root 3x minus root 3 equal to x plus root 3. The next thing here is to rearrange, that is to collect the like terms, which is root 3x minus x is equal to root 3 plus 3. We have x and x in common. We can factor x outside, which is x open bracket root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3 plus 3. We can divide both sides by root 3 minus 1 to get rid of this x. Therefore, divide both sides by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 get cancelled with root 3 minus 1. We left with x is equal to root 3 plus 3 over root 3 minus 1. Now, from this step, we can rationalize. So to rationalize, you can multiply top and the bottom by 3 plus 1. Therefore, x is equal to root 3 plus 3 over root 3 minus 1. Multiply it by root 3 plus 1 over root 3 plus 1. Right? So root 3 times root 3, we have root 3 squared. Root 3 times 1, we have root 3. Root 3 times root 3, we have plus 3 root 3. Root 3 times 1, we have plus 3. All over root 3 times root 3, we have root 3 squared. Root 3 times 1, we have root 3. Minus 1 times root 3, we have minus root 3. Minus 1 times 1, we have minus 1. So let's simplify. This squared get cancelled with this square root. Our root 3 plus root 3 is we have what? We have 4 root 3 plus 3 all over this square get cancelled with this square root. We have 3. This root 3 get cancelled with this root minus root 3. We have minus 1 here, which is equal to 3 plus 3. We have 6 plus 4 root 3 all over 3 minus 1. We have 2. And therefore, x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 3. This is the final solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.